Good morning from Guwahati. Today is what is the date? 13th of January 2018, and now we are leaving for DAWKI, Meghalaya. We will go via Shillong and we will come back to Shillong again for the night stay. He's my brother.
What's up, guys?
He's from Guwahati itself. Last night I stayed at his place only. Now we both will be riding together. Well, he knows everything about Meghalaya, so he will be guiding me throughout the journey. So his jacket does not have a rain liner and also a thermal liner, so he's going to wear an extra wind cheater over his jacket.
Yeah.
Protection first, then
Protection first.
Baki sab. Okay, so we'll start our journey now. So see you on road. So we have left from Guwahati. It's now 6:36 in the morning. The temperature is quite cold. It will be easily around 10 to 11 degrees. And today we will be going to DAWKI and we will return back to Shillong. Shillong is 100 kilometers from Guwahati, and from Shillong, DAWKI is more 76 to 80 kilometers. We will be visiting DAWKI and we will come back to Shillong. Tonight we will be staying at Shillong. Probably in 50 or 60 kilometers we will stop and we will have something. Yet there are no shops opened. Probably in one and a half hour the shops will be opened, and we can go at least 50 to 60 kilometers by that time. So अभी तो 50-60 किलोमीटर्स के बाद ही हम लोग रुकेंगे, कुछ खाएंगे पिएंगे, फिर डायरेक्ट चले जाएंगे DAWKI. So I am crossing the lake Umiam, very beautiful lake. Ron said there is a viewpoint ahead, so we'll stop there and we'll click some pictures.
We have reached Umiam right now. Had our breakfast in Longpo. So
This is the Umiam viewpoint. Let's show you guys.
show it to them.
Yeah. It's the beautiful Umiam lake. It's huge. These are our bikes performing really well, and he's a great rider, by the way. He rides his bike really good.
Me? Thank you.
have crossed Shillong. I have done around 119 kilometers. DAWKI is more 60-65 kilometers, and the views are getting better and better as I'm climbing towards the hill. I'm going towards DAWKI. The views are getting better and better. This place is really very beautiful. Beautiful place. After taking some nice pictures, also taking nice pictures. We have reached DAWKI, and now we'll be boating in this river. It's the clearest water of the earth. Just look how much clear the water is. A kind of island. Okay, the boat fare is 500 rupees for 1 hour, and you can book the full boat at 500 rupees. We have done that. There are tents as well. You can stay overnight also. Hello. We are having fish fried. Tea. Bye bye. That is Bangladesh.
And
wait,
this is India.
That's Bangladesh, and that's India. And he's Sam. The people you are seeing are Bangladeshis. Today I'm having the famous Bangladeshi jhalmuri. Shit.
Oh, it's good.
Yeah.
It's good.
Yes, I'm trying. It's really good. Come here and try this jhalmuri.
Yeah, it's nice.
And we are done with the boating. And now we will be going to visit the Tamabil border, which is around 3 kilometers from here. 3.5 kilometers from here. We will go there, we will visit the border, and quickly we will go back to Shillong. Because 4-4:30 बजे के बाद यहाँ पे बहुत ठंड पड़ जाएगा और अंधेरा भी बहुत जल्दी होता है यहाँ पे. This part is in the extreme east, so अंधेरा बहुत जल्दी हो जाता है. And also we may experience fog on road. So it's better to leave early and reach early. That's India. And that's Bangladesh. Welcome to Bangladesh. So we are back to Shillong. Shillong is more 3 kilometers. We are in this highway snacks dhaba. So it's a good restaurant, nice ambience. It's by the side of the road. Let me show you guys the bikes. Okay. That's my bike. Perfectly fine. That's Ron's bike. Great. Nice highway. And that's the restaurant, Highway Snacks. It's too cold over here. It will be easily around how much? 10 degrees? 10 to
Lower
8
than that.
Huh?
Lower than that. Lower than that.
Yeah.
6-7 degrees, I guess.
Yeah, it will be 6 to 7 degrees. It's really cold. We are having chai and our lunch is coming.
Now, it's not lunch actually.
We are having our lunch, right? Done with our lunch at
5:30.
5:30 in the evening. And now we are feeling extremely cold. अभी 15 किलोमीटर्स है। मैंने 3 किलोमीटर बोला था, 3 किलोमीटर नहीं है, 3 किलोमीटर एग्जैक्ट शिलोंग है। हम लोग का होटल है 15 किलोमीटर्स। ठंड में चलाएंगे कैसे देखते हैं। So we are in Shillong. This is our hotel. What is the name of this hotel?
Hotel Grace.
Hotel Grace. This is our room for 1600 rupees. We'll stay here for this night, and tomorrow early in the morning we will go to Cherrapunji. And now it's 7:05. We are in the police bazaar area, so we will go to the bazaar. By 8 PM the bazaar will be closed, so we need to go now only.
This is Police Bazaar. This is the center point of Shillong. This place is always like this, always crowded.
Walking by the streets. Now we will have some tea or coffee. We're finding search, but we can't find anything. I hope you can hear me. I don't have a mic. If you guys can't hear me, then I'm not gonna be in the vlog. He said in Christmas this place is lit, so probably 2018 का Christmas में यहीं पे आने वाला हूँ. देखते हैं अभी. So we are back to the room. So I'm ending this vlog over here. Thank you for watching my video guys. अगर अच्छा लगा तो like करके जाना. Goodbye.